Today I'm going to tell you step by step how to complete a benchmark passage on RAS Kids. Your objective for this assignment is to be able to read with accuracy and fluency in order to support your comprehension. In order to meet your learning goals, you will start by recording yourself reading a passage. You will then retell what happened through the passage, and you will end by answering a couple comprehension questions about your reading. You will first get started by clicking on the Robot app on your iPad. This robot should be labeled Kids A to Z. When the app opens, you will see a login screen. First, you will need to choose our class, which is listed under Choose Your Teacher. If my name is not listed, then look on the board and type in our class code. Once you have gotten into our class, you will see this screen with all of the colors and symbols. Under each color and symbol is a student's name. You will find the color and symbol that are your name and click on it. Once you've clicked on your name, you will see a home page that looks a lot like this. At the bottom, there are two different buttons. One says Home and one says Reading. You will need to click on the Reading button. Then your screen will look like this. At the very top, there is an Assessment button. You will need to click on the Assessment. When you click on Assessment, your reading passage will pop up. You need to be ready to record because it will start timing and recording you as soon as the passage pops up. When you see the passage, begin reading and don't stop until you are done. When you finish the passage, you will press the arrow at the right-hand top of your screen. When you are done recording, this screen will pop up and it will tell you to retell the story in your own words. You will not have the passage to look at, so you will need to do this from what you remember from reading the story aloud. When you are ready, tap the record button. When you tap the record button, it will begin recording and it will tell you that. When you are done, tap the green check that says Done. When you press the green button, it will then bring you to a comprehension question. You will answer 5 questions about the story. Again, remember that you do not have the passage in front of you, so you will have to take what you remember from when you read it aloud. Once all the comprehension questions are finished, you will see this screen. Awesome! You have earned 300 stars. That means that you just completed your benchmark reading passage and you are done.